Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture on mathematical error versus arithmetic error. In numerical computation, errors mainly come from two sources, from the method and from the computing device. First is mathematical error. Most of the numerical methods don't give an exact solution of some problem. They only provide an approximate solution. So error produced due to the approximation of the numerical method is called mathematical error. This error occurs before the actual computation starts. Second is arithmetic error. As we know, computers cannot store infinite number of digits. They can store only a limited number of digits. So arithmetic error occurs due to the limited memory of the computing device. And this mainly happens because of rounding or chopping in the computing device. So arithmetic error appears during computation. Therefore, we write the important relation, which is exact solution equal to numerical solution plus mathematical error plus arithmetic error. To understand this clearly, let us take an example of the integral 0 to 1, and this is the integral of function 1 by 1 plus x square. So we will solve this integral using both the methods, analytical method and numerical method. First, we use analytical method to find the analytical solution, which is exact solution. We know the standard formula, that integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square equal to tan inverse x. And now we apply limits from 0 to 1. Then it will be tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. So tan inverse 1 is pi by 4 and tan inverse 0 is 0. So we get value pi by 4. Now and decimal value of pi by 4 we can write 0.785398 and so on. So this is exact solution that is obtained by analytical method. Now we compute the same integral using a numerical method, that is trapezoidal rule, to find numerical solution. So using an ideal computer means computer that stores unlimited digits after decimal point. That means it can store the value exactly without rounding or chopping. So approximate solution is obtained, that is 0.780769 and so on. So this is approximate solution. Remember, this approximate solution in the computed value is due to numerical method only. It is not due to computing device, because computing device we assume here that it can store unlimited digits. So there is no option of rounding or chopping in this device. But in real life, computers can store only limited digits. So if the computer stores only 3 digits after the decimal point, then this approximate value becomes now 0.781, means 3 digits after decimal point 78, and after rounding we are getting 1 here, which is numerical solution. So here numerical solution involves two levels of approximation. One is from numerical method and other from rounding in the computing device. So now we can clearly separate the errors. Mathematical error comes from the method, that is exact solution minus approximate solution. Means uh, exact solution this minus this one. So means this is mathematical error that comes due to this numerical method. Now, second is arithmetic error. Arithmetic error is approximate solution minus numerical solution. Okay, and it will be this value IA minus IN that we are getting here minus 0.00002308 and so on. So finally we write the complete relation that exact solution equal to numerical solution plus mathematical error plus arithmetic error. This clearly shows that method error means mathematical error, and device error means arithmetic error, together explain the total error. So friends, today we discussed what are mathematical error and arithmetic error. If you found this lecture helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and if you have any doubt or question, write them in the comments. Thank you very much.